Tired of manually entering hundreds of names and contact details into Follow Up Boss, wasting precious time that could be spent closing deals? First, let's talk formatting. Your data needs to be in a CSV file. Open your spreadsheet software, like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, and make sure each contact detail, name, email, phone number, address has its own dedicated column. Consistency is key. Ensure all phone numbers are in the same format and that there are no extra spaces or special characters that could cause errors. Save your file as a CSV. Now, log into your Follow Up Boss account. Navigate to the admin section, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Within the admin area, locate and click on Import Contacts. On the Import page, you'll see a Choose File button. Click this and select the CSV file you just prepared. Follow Up Boss will then walk you through mapping the columns in your CSV to the corresponding fields in Follow Up Boss, such as first name, last name, email, and phone. Carefully match each column to the correct field to ensure your data ends up where it should. Before finalizing the import, Follow Up Boss provides a data validation screen. Here, you can review a sample of your data and identify any potential errors, like mismatched fields or incorrect formatting. If you spot anything, go back to your CSV file, make the necessary corrections, and reupload. Once you're happy with the validated data, proceed to finalize the import. Follow Up Boss will process your file and, upon completion, display a summary of the import, including the number of contacts successfully added. You'll also have options to add tags to these contacts for easy segmentation or assign them to specific users on your team. And that's it. You've successfully imported your contacts in bulk.